welcome to Fern the Camper. I'm Holly. This is my Happier Camper HC1 called Fern, and today we are going to look at casitas. So, as a lot of you know, we love tiny trailers, we love fiberglass trailers. We have a Happier Camper HC1 13-foot fiberglass trailer, but there are a lot of really beautiful options out there, not just Happier Camper. We looked at Scamps, we looked at the Scamp versus Happier Camper, and today we're going to look at a Casita. Now, the Casitas have 4 or 5 different types. They are just 16-foot and 17-foot. You do not get the shorter 13-foot like you do in some things like the Scamp or the Happier Camper or others, which we will address later, not in this video. However, a lot of people have not heard of a Casita when they think of tiny trailers. So today's video is really going to be highlighting the Casita. We're going to go to the Casita website, and you can find the website link below. Also on the Fern the Camper website, there are links for most of the tiny trailer manufacturers and places where you can buy your tiny trailer used. So without any further ado, welcome to the Casita's website, I guess. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Do you love tiny trailers as much as I do? Have you even heard of the Casita? The Casita is really lovely, tiny fiberglass trailer. You might see a Casita and assume it's a Scamp. The bodies do look a little similar. Casitas started their manufacture in 1983 under Casita Enterprises and Company, and it claims to have owned the road as quote-unquote America's favorite lightweight travel trailer. They do have a website. It is casitatraveltrailers.com, and they have their main manufacturer address in Texas, specifically McKinney in Rice, Texas, just north of Corsicana. So this is definitely one of the forerunners, I would say, of small lightweight travel trailers, and certainly worth having a look at if you are in the market for travel trailers. So Casita has a few models. Now on their charts earlier I looked at, they only had 4 models showing. The 16-foot and the 17-foot each comes in a standard and a deluxe with quite a few different options. But on their See a Travel Trailer, See a Casita, they have, I think it's actually 5 listed here. There's the Casita Spirit, which is the classic Casita experience, sleeps 4 to 6. There is the Casita Independence, a spacious twin beds with extra storage, sleeps 2 to 4. The Casita Heritage, perfect for families on the go, sleeps 4 to 6. And the Casita Freedom, the ultimate luxury swivel captain's chairs, sleeps 2 to 4. So they finished this off with the Casita Liberty, calling it versatility, convenience, and comfort, sleeping 2 to 4. And yeah, have a look at these on their website. See which one catches your eye the most. Personally, I quite like the finish of the gray doors on some of these with the lighter walls. I find that the darker woods look a little bit too 70s for my liking, but I know other people are into that. When it comes down to pricing and weights, I do think you will need to phone them and find out what's going on, because in order to even get a brochure, they have you fill out an online form. But of course you can always phone them as well. They do say very vaguely that they recommend vehicles capable of towing at least 3,500 pounds or more. They do not have the weights listed on their website, which is a little disappointing. But at the same time, I suppose there are so many different options, it can easily alter the weight. However, you know what? You know how much your shell weighs before any additions are made. but whatever the reason, they have gone with the easy route of just saying, make sure your car or vehicle can tow at least 3,500 pounds or more. So also on their facts page, they do have some interesting information. Again, towing and handling, it says, regardless of the type of tow vehicle, we recommend a vehicle capable of towing at least 3,500 pounds or more. A little bit of a parrot repeating itself here. A lot of the information that you've already seen on the website will be repeated in the facts. And ultimately, they have a phone number. Do call them, do find out your details that you want to know, and you should be absolutely fine. One of the facts questions that did catch my eye was, if I have a problem, where would I get, or can I get my warranty work done? Where can I get my warranty work done? And the answer is, since Casita could go practically anywhere, we recommend that you contact our direct service department at the phone number. You will most likely be directed to an authorized service center. So again, they don't have their service centers listed on the website, but they do have a number. So if anyone knows or has had any experience with this, to see how easy it is to get that maintenance done, that would be fantastic if you could leave that in the comments. Let's face it, it's something that is good to know before you go ahead and take that purchase. Just like the Scamp website, this has a support page, parts and service, and a store, as well as the traditional contacts and gallery. So if you do need extra parts for your traditional Casita, or if you have your vintage one, you can go into parts and service and you should be able to find something that is appropriate and works well for you. So looking at the Casita website, you will see that the two lengths are just 16 foot and 17 foot, and of those you have a standard and a deluxe package. There are so many different choices available for Casitas on their website. To be honest, if you don't know exactly what you're looking for, it can be a little bit tough to navigate. There are the features, can't talk today, on the features comparison page on their website. You can go through things like running gear and chassis, if you're going to have your 14-inch tires in your C range or your 15-inch tires in your D range, things like axle lift, anti-sway control, Anderson no sway hitch. There's things that you can add on as optionals and things here that are standard. You can go into exterior, and it looks like things like the two 20-pound gas bottles are standard for all 4 models. You have things like LP tank cover, 12-volt battery pack, 110-volt exterior outlets, outside storage compartments, automatic changeover regulator. All of these come as standard features, and many, many more. Things, however, like window gravel shield are not available on the deluxe packages of the 16 and 17 foot. And then you have things like surge protectors, which are, again, optional things. Interior features, you have so many different options. Couch bunk beds on the Spirit models, deluxe insulation, 4-inch cushions, front couch / bunk beds. Things that come standard, are they not available? It will tell you really carefully, really easily, really straightforward on their website. There's so many things to go through. I would say if you are looking for a travel trailer and you have decided that a 16 foot or 17 foot is about the length you are looking for, just take a whole day, like a complete day, right off work, right off everything else, and spend the day going through all these different options, everything that you would want, kitchen and appliances, everything that you would want for your bathroom and plumbing, and anything that you would want for your safety. Go through the Casita Travel Trailers page and get a really clear idea of what you are looking for. And also do browse the gallery, because their photos are pretty good and give you a really good feel for what you can do with your travel trailer once you hit the road and get out there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and listening, and hopefully we will see you out on the road soon.